Hi everyone and warm welcome to the wonderful video of the credit card life. My name is Amit. With the help of this video, I'm going to talk about a fascinating story of a credit card, and then I want to reveal one of the top-notch credit cards with a metal interface within the value back of 10,000 rupees. So if you all remember the US post World War II situation way back in the US, when US was coming up with a lot of let's say poorness, poverty, a lot of soldiers from the US had come down to their own homelands in search of job, and they hardly had work to do. Now, in that particular era, the US government opened up a beautiful credit lending exposure to most of the people, especially soldiers, to buy houses, refrigerator, cars, bikes, and so on and so forth. And it all could happen because of wonderful lending process. Probably the same similar impact Punjab National Bank is trying to create with one of their metal luxurious credit card within the range of 10,000 rupees. And mind you, I do not really make a long video of more than, let's say, 8 minutes or 10 minutes. This is the only video where I'm going to take at least 10 minutes of time to explain the concrete and wonderful value back and the benefits of PNB Luxura metal credit card. We just got launch of it within the housing fraternity of Punjab National Bank. First of all, let's begin the overall joining benefits and the fees of this particular credit card. So it's a pure metal credit card designed for luxury, travel, and spend. If you're going to get this wonderful credit card, you're going to get a minimum limit of 1 lakh and a maximum limit of 15 lakhs. That's as per the Punjab National Bank credit lending policy. That's number one. Number two, the joining benefit of this wonderful credit card is around about 10,000 plus GST, which can be waived off if you spend close to 2.5 lakhs within 90 working days, which means the entire money of your joining fees is absolutely waived off. Let's talk about the renewal fees. It's 7.5. Now, this is a very nice concept which I've seen for a very long time in a credit card, wherein they have reduced the annual fees. Now, 7.5 lakh, 5,000 plus GST can also be waived off if you spend a milestone of 800,000 in a fiscal year, which means 8 lakh rupees, and your annual and joining fees is going to be waived off. Let's talk about the joining and the welcome benefits. When you get this card and spend 50K in the first, let's say, 90 days, you're going to get 40,000 reward points at a value of 0.25. So if you directly calculate the value of 0.25, it comes around 10,000 INR. So you are already in profit. That's point number one. Point number two, get complimentary ITC hotel 1 night stay 2+1, including late check-in, check-out, excluding the Fortune hotels in India. Again, some of the ITC hotels are pretty good hotels, especially from food perspective, and you'll have a great time if you get a chance to be in it. Number two, you have Hotel Lux membership. This is something which I've not explored much, so I may not say much about that, but I see a lot of good names like Marriott, Accor, and so on. So for even IHG hotels, kind of Taj hotels, and they're offering late check-in, check-out, breakfast, upgrade, and a multiple wonderful hotels within a benefit of Hotel Lux membership, which in my book is a pretty good deal if you see the range of Hotel Lux membership and the quality of hotels and the resort under sale. Again, a complimentary from PNB Metal Luxura credit card. Moving on, the next benefit, which is buy one get one movie offer. So every month you will end up saving 500 rupees movie voucher in case if you're a movie buff. Otherwise, no need to spend it. Again, the maximum discount is 500 rupees for that. Moving on, we have the milestone benefits as well. So forget about the waiver and the joining waiver milestones. You also have a milestone called 10,000 reward points, which you will be able to fetch it if you spend 500,000 in a fiscal year. And if you do that, almost 2,500 INR goes in your pocket straight away. Another important feature which I believe they have kept it with a simple tradition. They do not have a spending criteria like golfing access at least 4 times in a particular year. They're not like ICICI Bank or other banks or even Amex these days where you have to spend 50K. Over here, all 4 golfing rights in a particular year is absolutely free without any asterisks or any boundaries or limitation, which is a good thing to have with a metal credit card. And then you have 8 lounges, 8 domestic lounges and 4 international lounges free with metal card. Moving on with other important features, like they have 2.5% markup charges, which in my book, is a great deal, because this particular card is designed for people, those who are living abroad, traveling frequently here and there, and doing multiple purchases. So if you are one of those NRIs, one of those individuals, apart from holding Amex, if you want to hold any other credit card after Amex and Infinia and of course Scapia and all those things, this is a great card to have in your wallet, because 2.5% markup fees is anytime welcome with any metal credit card in India. Let's talk about the accelerated reward points. If you're spending on travel and dining, you will be able to fetch 12 reward points on 100 rupees spent. In general, if you want to gain points over here, you got to get 4 points when you spend 100 rupees, and the value of each point is 0.25, which is not great, but then travel and dining is going to be a great experience. Apart from that, they have got multiple attractive benefits. For example, they have got this insurance policy. So they have purchase protection. If you buy something with the help of this particular credit card, you get 2 lakh purchase cover, you get 2 lakh personal insurance, and you also have 1 CR air accidental insurance in case you're buying a flight ticket with the help of Punjab Luxura metal credit card. Now, the story what I was talking about is very simple. Punjab National Bank has not been a great, let's say, a marquee credit card player in the Indian credit lending history, but this can be a game changer for them if they know how to handle the customer, if they revamp the customer service, if they revamp the facilities and the overall care for these kind of services. They can really win a lot of battles. Do remember, they also offer unbelievable, let's say, features which I have not mentioned within this particular credit card, but the customer experience has to be better. The eligibility criteria is very, very important. So over here, if you are an individual with, let's say, 2.5 lakh and above salary, you can definitely get this card. And if you happen to be a businessman, somebody who is holding an ITR or a complete business of probably 30 lakhs and above, you will become eligible for Punjab National Bank Luxura metal credit card. So if you take my opinion, I'm not somebody a huge fan of Punjab National Bank, and I'm not sure how these banking folks are going to run this wonderful metal credit card. But if they run it well, and if they have come up with such attractive features within 10,000 rupees, along with annual waiver, renewal waiver, the milestones, the insurances, and the purchase protection, this can be one heck of a credit card for them, given the ITC hotel benefits and Hotel Lux membership with multiple hotels in India. That's it in this video. If you have any other questions, write to me. If you don't subscribe, go ahead and do it, and let me know if you have any difficulty of gaining American Express cards. The link for lifetime free credit cards are in the description, and the Amex for Reserve and Platinum charge card too. You take care.